Hey you guys, so I am pulling up in the parking lot. As you can see, there's Hobby Lobby and then there's Ross right behind those trees, and I think I'm gonna go to both. Not in the same video, but I will be going into both, so I hope you guys stay tuned. I am going to head into Hobby Lobby first. Okay guys, so I just walked in, and before I get started, let me tell you, my eyes do not be ready for Hobby Lobby because they have so much stuff that I never know exactly where I want to look at. So I just kind of randomly walk around and look at stuff. So that's what we're about to do. I am loving all of the cream colors and the greens. Super cute stuff. Oh, these are cute. They're like marble with the gold, but this is actually kind of, I don't know, it looks like it's textured, like material. $9.99. They have that, and they have an apple. Cute little pink dishes. They always have the cutest pictures in here, and it says everything, all the wall decor is 50% off. I really like this one with the jean jacket on it. I don't want to really pull anything off to look at the prices. Sorry, you guys. All of the blue stuff. Look at that rolling pin. That is pretty. How much is that? That is $21.99 for that. Pretty wall decor, cactus flower wall decor. They feel like they're kind of heavy, so I'm not going to take them off. Those are cute. Oh, I thought these were glass. They're like a plastic. These are reduced to oh no, these two are because they're broke. These are $8.99. Little decor, $5.99. Oh, a paper crane. That's kind of cute. $11.99. Okay, look at all of this stuff right here. Don't quit your daydream. That picture is adorable. Look at this mail collection. You know, like you can hang it on your wall and put the mail in it. It's like a pocket, but it's a pink envelope. And I got these cute cups. Still sleeping. The little eyelashes. These are $13.99. Look at this. You can put your pencils and stuff in there. $15.99. Is this one? Yeah, that's a bowl as well. $11.99. That's a cute little face. A little hello sign. Oh gosh, I am so tempted to do this. I have to. Oh, I like that. That is $15.99. Here's some cute pens. Still My Heart, Not My Pen. Coffee, Mascara, Hustle, Hello, Brilliant Ideas. And they all say different stuff, and they're $19.99. Cute little dishes. $11.99. A giant eraser. Oh, this is cute. And this is like ceramic for $9.99. They say create. And then they got all these little baskets, little wire baskets, and then some cute little pillows down here. I Need My Beauty Sleep. I like that one. And Just Wing It with the eyelashes. And then over here they have a whole section dedicated to llamas. So I have to take a look at this. They got some pictures, a little pillow up there, some little plates, cup, trinket dishes. Look at these cups, like a little princess cat. Little princess cat. That's $9.99. She's cute. She has a little bow in her hair, glasses. The little dog pillows. This big sign. This is a metal sign. This is cute. And those are $19.99. I like the colors on that. $11.99. Oh, look at those tin cans. Those are cute. They got the cactus out here and then the llamas over there. Okay, so this is all dedicated for your laundry area, and I thought it was cute. Look at those pictures. Laundry, dry cleaning, wash and fold service. So all of this is for your laundry area. I like the girl pictures right there. Okay, wash and dry. Let's see if there's anything on the other side. Pretty much the same stuff. Oh, look at this. Look at this paper towel holder. That's cute with the big fork, and it's like wood. That's $23.99. You got all this. When in doubt, take another bite. Cute rolling pins. This is how I roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. Stir crazy. Little spoon rest. Spoon. Eat well. Is that a towel? A towel for $4.99. Raised on sweet tea and Jesus. Okay. Bless this kitchen. Those are cute. Yum yum. Little pictures. And then here's a spoon. This is like cement. And that's a spoon. Knives. And I'm pretty sure the other one says forks, but it's on a spinning thing. Or a stand. It probably doesn't spin, but that's cute. Look at that succulent picture. It says hi. Like it has a little hand saying hi. Cute pictures. $9.99. Oh, look, there's one back there and it has a face. Does this one have a face? Oh yeah, it has a face on it. That's cute. Okay, my daughter would love this section because it's black and white. And those are cactus pillows with the different patterns on them. Get this, these are bookends. Dear bed, you are my favorite. I love that. And then you got the little fox picture back there with half of a picture. Wake up and be awesome. And like I said, everything is 50% off. Look at that. The handle says caffeinate me, and it says no is a complete sentence. How cute. $8.99 for that one. Coffee and Jesus. Rise and pray. Okay, I like that. That is $13. How much is the Jesus and coffee? $11.99. What am I thinking about? Who said that in the end of a show? Y'all come back now, you hear? Why am I thinking of oh goodness, y'all come back now, you hear? It's on the tip of my tongue. The Beverly Hillbillies, I think. Is that them that said that? That used to be my show. So that's why I thought of that. That is so true in my home. Some call it chaos, we call it family. And then over here they have a bunch of milk glass collection stuff. Look at that. It's a pretty picture. They got the cups, the cake stands. The cups are $12.99. Teacups, bowls, and they have it in white, and they also have everything in green. Let's see. This is a cute cup. First I do the coffee, then I do the things. I just love cups. They are so funny. I'm on those until there is coffee. Okay, that's cute. Here's some little jalapeno dishes right there. It's always Taco Tuesday. I feel that. How much is that? That is $11.99. These are pretty. Black and white stripes. They even have a whole section for cactus. Best day ever. Look at this one right here. It's wood, and then the top feels like, it looks like it's like metal. Those are cute. Cute little boxes. $13. Little fat cactus. Before you were born, I set you apart. Look at this canister right here. This is $19.99. $6.99. Cute decor. And they even have these little dishes. $11.99. And their prices are not that bad, especially because you still get the 50% off. So, and then they got a lot of pictures down here. Walk by Faith, $6.99. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I like this. It's a Cactus Mirror. That is only $20. I believe it's 20% off. I mean 50% off, sorry. But that's only $20. How cute is that? Uh-oh, stuff is falling. Hold on. And then look, here's a garland, a wood garland. And they do have a lot of beach themed goodies. This picture is really pretty. It's really nice. So here's all your beach decor. And here's some more over here. And that is it, you guys, for the home decor. There was a lot of other stuff too, but of course I just kind of went down the main rows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this into 2 videos. I hope you guys stay tuned. I am going to go over to the seasonal section, so this isn't a super long video, and I'll show you guys what's over there. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.